welcome back to our channel. It's your girl Delibia again. We have Irene here again in this tutorial showing you how to achieve this updo right here. So if you're interested, just stay tuned for the tutorial. And first of all, if you're new to my channel, my name is Delphine. I do natural hair videos. Subscribe if you do find my videos interesting, and also share with your friends and WhatsApp groups and Facebook, wherever you want to share this, so my video can go viral. And yeah, we love you for watching, and let's get into the tutorial for today. And I'm going to use this on her hair. Now you want it. So now her front hair is looking like this. So now I'm going to plait the hair into 3 braids, not twists. Pins. So here is the finished look of the hair. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. We hope you guys did enjoy this tutorial. Let us know which of the hairstyles was your favorite. So give us a 360 by turning. Yes. And yeah, thank you guys so much, and bye bye. Subscribe.